Hello, my name is Angelina Villalobos Rodriguez. I am 24 years old and I am live in Yopal City, Casanare. I am studying industrial energy. Using the present perfect continuous, answer the following question. Have you been working for the same company for more of 5 years? Where have you been working? If I have been working for 5 years in the same company, I am been working in a dental clinic called Seden. Have you been doing exercise in the last year? What kinds of exercise do you do? I have not been exercising for the last years. I have not practiced any type of exercise. Using the topic, paragraph verbs complete a sentence with the correct partial verb. I'm going to labs of drinking beer. I'm so fat tan. I can't see my feet anymore. Rafa to start photography. Her whose bought one of the lasting and the most expensive. I don't know how my wife put up with me. I drink too much in about husband and I am terribly person to lie with. If you don't hurry up, we'll miss the train. Express the sentence everything in the topic report speech. Sarah asked, "Are you busing Tony?" "I am working in a hospital. We made a great dinner last night," he said. "Thank you. Bye."